So there might be some technical issues, but still okay. So let me wait for the guys. So guys, I'm waiting for you. Still, I hope. So wait a minute. I will just share the link to the WhatsApp group so that people can join here. Yeah, Radhika, good evening, ma. So, moving back to the session for the day. Yes, please. I don't understand why people are making late in attending the session. Yeah, Bushra, good evening. Manjula, good evening, ma. Chalo, moving forward for the first day. So, insurance works on which principle? Insurance works on which principle? So, on the sharing on the losses, probabilities, so large numbers, randomness, all the above. So, try to understand, insurance itself, it is an uncertain, right? So, this insurance, in the insurance generally, we will be dealing with the sharing of losses. Insurance is something like, paid by the insurance company towards any kind of loss incurred by the person who paid a premium towards the policy, right? So, see, let us take an example. A person whose name is called as Raju monthly to the insurance company. Let us take example, life insurance company. So, at some part of time, if any health issues comes to the Raju, then automatically the LIC will be paying the amount as it promised, isn't it? So, whatever it might be. So, yeah, Uma, good evening. So, LIC. So, here the insurance, the transaction between the Raju and the LIC company will be influenced by the probability of happening or not happening something. The large numbers, yes. Randomness, obviously randomness. If something happens to the Raju, automatically the LIC should respond on random basis, isn't it? So, it works with all the principles. Insurance works on the principle of all the sharing of the losses, probability, the large numbers, randomness, and all the above, right? Okay. So, it deals with all the above principles. So, try to understand the second question. Insurance helps to what? Insurance helps to what? Prevent adverse situations from occurring, reduce the financial consequences of adverse, yes, negate all the consequences of adverse situations, make assets continuously productive, all the above. So try to understand, insurance, it will reduce the financial consequences of adverse situations. If something happens abnormally, so whatever the financial burden to the owner of a particular asset or the health of a particular individual, the financial burden will get reduced with the help of insurance. So insurance, so for example, let us take an example. A has been paid premium of rupees 1000 annually. So for the 10 years. The LIC has been applied, LIC or any other company of the insurance company which is related to life insurance has promised to pay the individual the amount of 1 lakh. See, something happens, he got into the medication, on suddenly he went to the hospital, he hospitalized for some kind of health issues. Now the insurance company will be promised to, as it is promised, it has to be paid 1 lakh rupee to the individual towards the hospital, isn't it? So the bill of individual is 2 lakhs, but the insurance company has promised and it is able to give the 1 lakh rupee, and whatever the remaining 1 lakh rupee, it will be automatically the reduction in the financial consequence. The burden has been decreased, isn't it? So insurance will always reduce the financial consequences. It always reduces the financial consequences. Yes guys, is it understanding for you? Is it understanding? Just respond guys. Yes. Guys, is it audible? First tell me whether it is audible or not. I don't know. Yeah. Thank you Manjula. Thank you for responding. So what does it mean? The term risk includes what? Yes, Srikanth, welcome to the session. The term risk includes damage to the machinery and property, impact on the health or the life of the person, leakage of toxic products into the atmosphere, effect of healthy life of the neighborhood, all the above. The term risk includes. So automatically, if any kind of damage happens to the machinery or the property, automatically there will be some part of risk, isn't it? Some part of the risk. The term risk includes the damage to the machinery and the property. Next, the term risk includes the impact on the health of life of the person. So try to understand. The term risk includes impact on the health or life of the person. Yes? Yeah. The leakage of toxic products into the atmosphere, even it is a risk, isn't it? Leakage of the toxic products into the atmosphere, it may create a risk for the residents who are near to the industry or the factory, whatever it might be. So effect on the health life of the neighborhood. Yes, obviously it is a risk for the neighborhood as well. So all the above. Option E is the right answer. Radhika, very good response, ma. Very good. So which of the following intermediaries do not require IRDS license? Approvals to operate in India. So which of the following intermediaries do not require IRDS license? He is speaking. So for any kind of license is mandatory. IRDS license is mandatory. So try to understand. So which of the following intermediaries do not require? Agents. Insurance agents obviously required. Yes, required. Third party administrators required. Surveyors are also required. IRDS license is required for all the above intermediaries. So option E is the correct answer. Option E is the right answer. An actuary. So actuary is a person whose job is like, whose job is to expect or calculate the insurance, calculate calculate the insurance risk and payment to the person who pays premium. So actuary is expected to make an reasonable forecast. No one can do exact forecast, no one can forecast exactly. So an actuary can make a reasonable forecast of the future liabilities of the policy. Yes, so option B is the right answer. Option B is the right answer. So Radhika, as you are saying that so actuary is a person who calculates the premium required to cover a risk on the long term liabilities. No, not really. So actuary is a person who makes a reasonable forecast. Reasonable is nothing but a nearer, not exactly, since insurance automatically whatever the loss is an uncertain. We cannot expect what kind of loss happens in the future. Since the loss is uncertain, so we cannot forecast exactly. So reasonable forecast, we can do a reasonable forecast whatever the loss that might be happen, isn't it? So the duty of an actuary is to make a reasonable forecast of the future liabilities of the policies. Yes guys, are you understanding? So fidelity guarantee policies, so try to understand fidelity guarantee policies. So these policies will be paid by the organizations or employers. These policies covers the losses to the organizations or employers due to the fraud by the employees. In any kind of organization, we will be having employees, all the employees putting together. Okay, so you will be having an employer, so you will be having the employees. So any loss incurred due to the over participation or under participation of employees to the organization will be covered by the fidelity government policies. So fidelity guarantee policies will help the employers to get back the losses due to the fraud by the employees. If any fraud committed by an employees, if any fraud created by the employees, this fidelity guarantee policy will be coming into the picture. Yes. So CTL, what is the meaning of CTL? So what happened guys, you people are not at all responding for any question. I don't understand. So could you please comment what exactly happening? Hello everyone. So guys, I got the reply from Sandhya. Constructive total loss. Constructive total loss is the correct answer. Sir, what is the CTL? What is the CTL? For example, some part of damage has been happened to the asset. So let us take an example. Car. So this is a car. So this car, try to understand. Suddenly the car met with an accident. Now it should go for a showroom, isn't it? The car should move to the showroom for repair. So try to understand. So repair. For example, the cost of repair. If the cost of repair is more than current value of asset. If the cost of repair is more than current value of asset, it is called as constructive total loss. For example, let us take an example. So the car met with the accident. For the repair it is costing like 10 lakhs. So the cost of the repair is 10 lakhs, but original value, current value of that car is only 7 lakhs. 7 lakhs. But the repair, the cost to the repair is 10 lakhs. Try to understand. So this is a loss to the insurance company, since the loss has to be covered by the insurance company, right? So what is the loss? 10 lakhs minus 7 lakhs, that is 3 lakhs. 3 lakhs is a constructive total loss. 3 lakhs is a constructive total loss. Yes. So which of the following terms matches with the closely, which of the following terms matches closest with the family floater? What is this family floater speaks about? See, total family getting insurance with single premium with respect to health issues. Health issues is called as family floater. Is called as family floater. I hope this is very good, very clear, right? Yes, guys, have you understood? So, family floater speaks about health insurance. Family floater speaks about health insurance. Right. Now try to get the answer. Very good, Manjula. Yeah, Uma, you people are doing well. In the case where the life insurance agent collects the premium from the policy holder and remits ante just they are putting on it with the insurance officers. Only the insurance officer is acting as an agent of what? Try to insurance agent collecting premium. Yes, insurance agent collecting premium with the customer. Try to understand. Insurance agent collecting premium with the customers. So from the policy holder, just he is acting as an agent of insurance company. So if he acts as an agent of IRDA, the whole sum amount will be transferred to the account of an IRDA. But he is only remitting the whatever the funds they have been receiving or being collected or in the form of premiums from the customers, they are just remitting with the insurance company. So he is acting as an agent of insurance company, right? Yeah, very good. So yes, guys, you are doing very well. Very good. Next. A policy where policy holder makes a one-time payment of premium. One-time payment of premium is known as what? A policy where the policy holder makes a one-time payment of premium is known as what? Money back policy, single premium policy, salary savings scheme policy, off-yearly policy, annual policy. A policy where the policyholder makes a one-time premium. It is an single premium policy. Yes, Radhika, Bushra, Sandhya, Rajgoli, Manju. Correct. Single premium policy. A policy where the policyholder making the one-time payment for the premium. Right? Yes. So dash may be described as social service, social device to reduce or eliminate the risk of the loss to the life and property. Dash may be described as an social device to reduce or eliminate the risk of the loss to the life and property. So try to understand what is the device which is about to reduce or eliminate the risk, which totally eliminates the risk to the loss to the life. It is option C, insurance. Insurance is a social device which will reduce or eliminate the risk of the loss to the life and the property. Nazia, very good. Nazia, yes, you are doing well. Option C is the right answer. Which of the following is our nation's accounts department? Which of the following are the important activities of an organization's accounts department? Keeping the control on the cash, investment of funds, processing bills, reconciliation bank statements, all the above. So all the above is the correct answer. See, organization's accounts department mainly deals with the control on the cash, investment of funds, whatever the amount they are receiving towards the services being organized or services rendered by the organization. So whatever the funds that are getting, the funds should be invested somewhere. Processing bills should be processed. So a bank statement should be reconciled with the organization statements, all the above. So yes, so Chiti very good, Bushra very good, Raju Goli very good, so Manjula very good guys, Sandhya very good. So you guys are doing really well. Yes. So which of the following is an important reason for the insurers to sell life insurance policies through the agents? Why agents are required? What is the importance of the agents to require to sell the insurance policies? The benefits of life insurance policies are simple and clear to all. Option B, people can decide which policy is best for them. Option C, agents have to earn their commissions. Option D, agents have to meet their making targets. So option E, many people require personalized guidance for selecting the right policy. Why agents will be appointed for selling the life insurance policies? What is the important reason for the insurance company to sell the life insurance policy through the agents? Why the agents intervention or why the agents involvement is really required in the case of selling the life insurance policies? Yes. So many people require the personalized guidance for selecting the right policy. Yes. Yes. Bushra, try to understand. Many people requires a personalized guidance for selecting the right policy. Yes. Next. Compared to the premium for the whole time life plan, the premium for the endowment plan will be what? Compared to the premium for the whole life plan, the premium for endowment plan will be more. Endowment plan premium is more than whole life plan, isn't it? The premium for endowment plan is more than whole life plan. Compared to the premium for the whole life plan, the premium for an endowment plan will be more than for the same. Will be more for the same age. Why? Because, try to understand, the whole life plan, in the whole life plan generally, the premium will be paid whole life, and after the death of an insurer, amount will be given by the insurance company. Whereas endowment plan at regular intervals of the period, after some period, it will be providing with some part of lump sum amount. If anything happens to the employee, or if any individual dies, the amount will be getting, and parallelly, if he is alive also, he can just get a lump sum amount with the help of endowment plan, so that the premium will be more. As per structured formula under the Motor Vehicle Act, victims of fatal injuries paid what? As per the structured formula under the Motor Vehicles Act, victims of fatal injuries are paid compensation on the basis of what? So, some kind of fatal injuries are happened. So, as per the Motor Vehicle Act, the insurance amount will be compensated, or compensation from the insurance company will be on the basis of age and income. So age and income will be considered for any kind of compensation by the insurance company. So guys, are you understanding? So option D is the right answer. As per the Insurance Act, every insurer has to prepare at the end of the financial year what? Insurer is nothing but insurance company. As per the Insurance Act, every insurer has to prepare at the end of the financial year what? Balance sheet, profit and loss account, revenue account for each class of insurance business, accounts of receipts and payments in the respect of shareholders' funds, all the above. Option E. As per the Insurance Act, every insurer has to prepare at the end of the financial year balance sheet, profit and loss account, revenue account, receipts and payments account in the respect of shareholders' funds. Option E. Nazia, from which college you are, ma? From which college you are? Sandhya, from which college you are? Just respond, just comment. From which college you are? In which college you have completed your graduation? Nazia and Sandhya. Nazia and Sandhya, please respond. From which college you have completed your graduation? That's okay. Radhika, from which college you have completed your graduation? Radhika. Mega City, from which college you have completed your graduation, ma? Mega City. Manjula, where did you complete your graduation? Yes. The minimum paid up capital required for the general insurance company is what? The minimum paid up capital required for an GIC, it is 100 crores. Option D is the correct answer. 100 crores is the minimum paid up capital required for any general insurance companies. Yes. That's okay. Manjula, very good. You are from Social Welfare Degree College. Nice to hear. Nagar Karnal guys. You all guys are rocking well today. Very good, very good. So minimum paid up capital required is 100 crores in the case of general insurance companies. Yes. Yeah, very important question, very repeated question. Insurance cannot prevent the occurrence of the risk, but it provides for the what? Insurance cannot prevent the occurrence of the risk, but it provides for what? Losses of risk, occurrence of risk, chance of risk, none of this. Insurance cannot prevent the occurrence of risk. It may really, it will not avoid, it will not prevent the occurrence of risk, but it provides for the losses of risk. Yes, so losses of risk can be prevented the occurrence of the risk. It can be prevent the occurrence of risk. It cannot prevent the occurrence of risk, but it can provide the losses of risk. Risk can be prevented. Yes. Very good. Very good. So the document which embodies the contract in insurance is called as. What is the document which embodies or which reflects the contract in insurance? The document which embodies the contract in insurance is called as. Yes. Security, policy, certificate? None. So Mega Chitti, you are from Mahatma Jyotirao Phule BC Welfare Residential Degree College, Siddipet. I hope this college is located in the Vargal region, right? Yeah. Hello, Chitti. Yes, that's okay. So just answer the question. The document which embodies it is a document which embodies a contract in the insurance. So which is called as security. Sorry, it is not security. It is a policy. Insurance policy. Insurance policy. It is an document which embodies a contract. Contract which includes rules, regulations, validity, isn't it? All the do's and don'ts will be mentioned in the document which is called as insurance policy. Option B. Yeah. That's okay, Radhika. You are from Social Welfare College, Kamareddy, which is out of Telangana, right? Yeah. Very good. Very good. So, which of the following statements is incorrect in respect of brokers? Which of the following statements is incorrect in the respect of brokers? Brokers requires to undergo the trading. Brokers requires to undergo which of the following is incorrect? Which of the following statements is incorrect, he is speaking. So Bushra, you are saying it is a blur, right? So I am just dictating which of the following statements is incorrect, which is not correct in respect of brokers. With respect to the brokers, what is the statement is incorrect? Option A, brokers require to undergo training before being licensed. Means before getting a license to the brokers should undergo the training is the first point. Second point, brokers are appointed by the insured to take care of their interest. They will be appointed by the insured to take care of their interest. Option C, brokers have to pass the examinations before being licensed. Brokers have to pass the examinations before being licensed. Option D, brokers should be registered companies or firms. Option D, brokers should be registered companies or the firms. Option E, brokers are allowed to negotiate with different insurers for the same insured. He is asking, try to understand ma. He said that incorrect. He is asking us which is not correct. He is not asking which is correct. He is asking which is not correct. Are you understanding? He is not asking which is correct. He is asking which is not correct. Which is not correct? The option D is not correct. Brokers should be registered companies and firms. No. Brokers can be individuals also. Brokers can be individuals also. So brokers should be the registered companies or firms. Yes. So I hope the session really went well today. You guys have how was the session, guys? Yes. subscribe the channel and tap on the bell icon for more updates. Do not forget to like the video. If you really like the video, if you really understood, if you feel the video is really helpful, you just like the video. Like the video, subscribe the channel and share this link to your friends. If your friends are not feeling convenient now to watch the live, that's okay. They can watch the video. They can watch the live later also, whenever, according to their convenience. That's okay. No worries. You share the information regarding our free classes on M.comentrance to your friends. Okay. Subscribe the channel and tap on the bell icon for the more updates. Is it audible, guys? I hope it is very clear. Yes? Have you subscribed? Have you all guys subscribed? Hello Krishnalata, yeah, Bushra, Devnuri Sandhya, Radhika, Nazia, Manjula, Mega Chitti, all guys are doing well. How was the session then? So till now we have completed financial accounting, corporate accounting, business organization management, business statistics, banking, insurance, and we have completed few important questions as well with relates to M.comentrance classes. So you can find all our videos in our channel. You just watch our channel, you will be getting good amount of revision. Yes. So now the next topics will be like, we are going to deal with business law, company law, general English, current affairs. We are going to deal all these things, and exclusively we are going to start a new session which is of 1000 MCQs, 1000 most important multiple choice questions asked in any commerce examination. I am going to collect the 1000 multiple choice questions which are very important with respect to the all commerce competitive examinations before going to your PG CPG set exam. So before going to your PG set examination, I would like to revise all 1000 MCQs, all 1000 MCQs which are most important. Are you ready to listen those 1000 MCQs which are important? Are you ready to watch my videos for 1000 important MCQs? Are you ready? I am getting a very least replies. I got only 4 replies. Yes guys, today I am winding up the session for the day. So I will meet you in the next session. Stay tuned. Thank you for joining. Jai Hind.